Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine. Again, I am welcoming you on the online classes. So that I told you that I will take lesson number 11 and lesson number 13 after I finish the grammar portion. But I think the grammar portion is little bit lengthy. So that is why I am taking the one more lesson from your English reader book. Lesson number 13, Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. Okay, so I will finish this lesson and then after we go to the grammar portion, because continuously we have to take the grammar because every chapter is related to one another. So Aladdin and the Magic Lamp, come to this lesson now. Long ago there lived in Arabia a poor tailor. His name was Mustafa. So what is the tailor name? Mustafa. Okay, so where he is living? Lived in a Arabia country. So he had a son named Aladdin. So what is his son name? Aladdin. Aladdin was a very clever boy, but he was very lazy. वो बहुत ज़्यादा समझदार था, बहुत दिमाग था, बट वो थोड़ा सा आलसी था, लेज़ी था. He did not obey his parents. So what his parents told him to do, that thing he did not obey his parents. Every time he is playing and running from here and there and wasting time, but he not work anything. Okay, he wasted all his time playing with his friends. Mustafa was worried about his son. So who is Mustafa? Aladdin father. So every time when he saw his son is not taking interest or not serious about um, his life and is wasting his life while playing with his friend, because he is grown up now. Okay, so now, this Aladdin is not a small child, he is grown up now, and in that time also is not helping their parents. So by seeing that, Mustafa was worried about his son. In course of time he fell ill and died. So in this tension and taking tension in his mind that what will happen when I am not with this Aladdin, what will happen to Aladdin. Okay, so like this in course of time he fell ill and died. तो वो बीमार पड़े मुस्तफ़ा and he died. But Aladdin did not change his way. What Aladdin was, he doing the same thing now also when his father is no more. Okay, so one day while Aladdin was playing with his friends in the marketplace, a stranger came to him and asked, "My dear boy, are you the son of Mustafa?" So who came that day? One day Aladdin was playing with his friends, so a stranger came. Okay, so stranger means an unknown person whom we don't know about it. Okay, so a stranger came to him and asked to a stranger came to him and asked to whom? Aladdin. Okay, my dear boy, are you the son of Mustafa? क्या तुम मुस्तफ़ा के बेटे हो? Yes, I am, replied Aladdin, but my father is dead. So Aladdin replied, yes, I am, but my father is dead. अगर आप मुझे मेरे पापा को पूछ रहे हो, so he is no more, he is dead. Okay, now see the next paragraph. I am very sorry to hear that, said the stranger. So what the stranger said? मुझे दुख हुआ सुनकर. I am your uncle. मैं तुम्हारा अंकल हूँ. Won't you take me home? क्या तुम मुझे अपने घर नहीं लेके जाओगे? Aladdin took the stranger home. His mother did not recognize the man. So Aladdin take that stranger to his home, and when his mother saw that stranger, she did not recognize the man because she don't know about that man. Okay, perhaps he is a distant relative, she thought. So what she thought, maybe वो दूर का रिश्तेदार होगा जिसके बारे में उनके हस्बैंड ने उनको नहीं बताया था, मुस्तफ़ा ने नहीं बताया था. She gave him food and drink. Then she told him all about Aladdin. Then after serving the food or whatever the snacks and drink, after giving to that person, this Aladdin mother said to that person about Aladdin. Okay, so now come to the see here. A stranger is standing here, and his mother is telling about Aladdin, that Aladdin is not have serious about his life and not working and all that thing. Okay, now the stranger said, "Don't worry." What stranger said? "Don't worry. I will take care of him and make him a fine gentleman." मैं इसका ख्याल रखूँगा और इसे अच्छा इंसान बनाऊँगा. He bought new clothes and some gift for Aladdin and his mother. So what he brought with him? He brought new clothes and some gifts for Aladdin and his mother. The mother and the son began to trust the stranger. So here that stranger, about the stranger, this Aladdin mother and Aladdin don't know about it. So the stranger, when he gifted to Aladdin and his mother, so they started trusting that stranger. Maybe that stranger is known by this Mustafa is any relative is there, Mustafa relative is there. So that is why his mother and Aladdin began to trust the stranger. Okay. The next morning, the stranger took Aladdin out of the city. So where they go, the stranger and the Aladdin took off the city, and city के बाहर गए. Little did Aladdin know that the stranger was a magician. So this Aladdin know that the stranger was a magician. He took Aladdin to a mountain side. Okay, so वो stranger Aladdin को कहाँ ले जाता है? Mountain side में. And pointing to a rock, the magician said, "You must now do as I say." So एक mountain के तरफ point करके Aladdin के जो अंकल थे, stranger अंकल थे, he said to Aladdin that pointing to a rock, the magician said, "You must now do as I say. What I am saying to you, you have to do as it is." Okay. Then he brought some twigs and made a fire. So he said some magic words and threw a white powder in the fire. So what he did? He took Aladdin to a mountainside, and pointing to a rock, the magician said, "You must do as I say." Then he brought some twigs and made a fire. तो कुछ लकड़ियों को इकट्ठा करके वो एक फायर बनाता है, यानी कि एक जैसे हम होली में जलाते हैं ना, लाइक दैट स्मॉल फायर. ओके. He said some magic words, and after made a fire, he started saying a magic words and threw a white powder in the fire. तो कुछ उसके हाथ में white powder था, and that stranger threw that powder in that fire. Bang! There was a loud sound. तो एक बैंग करके आवाज़ आती है, एक धमाके की आवाज़ आती है, और एक लाउड साउंड के साथ में द बिग रॉक हैड मूव्ड असाइड. सो व्हाट हैपेंड? दैट माउंटेन, इन दैट माउंटेन एक बिग रॉक जो है वो ढका हुआ था, एंड सडनली व्हेन ही स्टार्टेड मेकिंग दिस मैजिक वर्ड्स एंड थ्रोइंग ए वाइट पाउडर ऑन दैट फायर, ए बिग रॉक हैड मूव्ड असाइड. तो उस माउंटेन से एक बड़ा सा पत्थर खसक गया साइड में. Aladdin saw a dark tunnel under the ground. So what Aladdin saw? A dark tunnel. Tunnel means an underground passage. यानी कि एक जो गुफा जैसी होती है जिसमें सुरंग होती है, यानी कि अंदर की तरफ एक पूरा बना हुआ होता है रास्ता. So Aladdin what saw? A dark tunnel under the ground. Now go along the tunnel till you reach a small garden. So who said this one? This stranger. Okay. To whom? Aladdin. What? Now go along the tunnel, you reach a small garden. तो उस टनल के अंदर में जाओ और एक तुम्हें स्मॉल गार्डन मिलेगा. द ट्रीज देयर डू नॉट बेयर फ्रूट. वहाँ पे जो ट्रीज हैं उनमें फ्रूट नहीं लगे हैं. देयर आर प्रीशियस जेम्स ऑन देम. तो फ्रूट की जगह क्या लगा है? हीरे, ज्वेलरी. ओके, ज्वेलरी ऑफ ए डायमंड and all that kind of jewelries are there instead of this fruit. Okay, take as many as you want. जितना चाहो तुम ले सकते हो. All I want is the old copper lamp that is in the garden. So what that stranger want? The old copper lamp, यानी कि जो चिराग है ओल्ड कॉपर का, तांबे का, ठीक है, तो उसको तुम बस लेकर आना उस गार्डन से मेरे लिए, said the magician. Aladdin was afraid of entering the tunnel. Aladdin थोड़ा सा afraid हो गया. He got fear in his heart that how I enter in that tunnel. Okay, so the magician handed him a ring and said, so what the magician handed to Aladdin? A ring and said, wear it and it will protect you. ये पहन लो, ये तुम्हारी रक्षा करेगा. Okay, so Aladdin entered the tunnel. Aladdin entered the tunnel and soon reached a beautiful garden. So after wearing that ring, Aladdin started to go inside that tunnel and soon reached a beautiful garden. He filled his pocket with the jewels that grew on the trees. तो trees में जो jewels थे उसने उसको तोड़ के अपने पॉकेट में डाल लिया. He found the old copper lamp and returned along the tunnel. उसे वो ओल्ड कॉपर लैम्प मिला एंड ही टेक दैट कॉपर लैम्प एंड रिटर्न, यानी कि वापस वो टनल के बाहर आने लगा. एज सुन एज ही पुट हिज हेड आउट ऑफ द टनल द मैजिशियन क्राइड, आह गिव मी द लैम्प. सो as soon as when he started coming out from the tunnel, this magician, this stranger started cried means this with loud voice he said to Aladdin that give me that lamp. Okay, help me out first, said Aladdin, holding back the lamp. So when he saw that this stranger simply wants that magic lamp only and is not helping Aladdin to come out from the tunnel. So when Aladdin said, help me out first you help me out. Okay, said Aladdin, holding back the lamp. Give me the lamp first, growled the magician. Growl means with order to make loud sound. Okay, so गुस्से से चिल्ला के magician ने बोला, first you give me the lamp. Okay, no, cried Aladdin, let me get out of the here first. So what Aladdin said, no, first you have to help me to come out from the tunnel and then only I will give you that lamp. Okay, so the magician become furious. Magician become furious means very angry. He threw some powder on the ground and said some magic words. So the second time he threw means he threw some powder on the ground and said some magic words. At once the large rock rolled across and closed the opening. तो जो large rock जो खसक गया था वो धीरे धीरे बंद होने लगता है. Aladdin called out loudly but no sound came out. अब अलादीन अंदर से चिल्ला रहा है मगर कोई साउंड, कोई हेल्प नहीं आ रही है. Okay student, so up to here you understand the story. So we will continue this lesson in next video. Okay, and if any doubt please ask me. Thank you student.